One of the biggest skincare myths is that Korean do 10-step skincare routines, because I don't, and most Korean I know don't either. My skin is combination sensitive and honestly it gets worse all the time, especially before my period. That's why I don't use the exact same products all year round. My skin changes all the time depending on the season, my hormones, stress, and just how my skin feels today. So I switch products quite often and that's completely normal. Also, today's video is only about my everyday skin basics. I'm not going to talk too much about things like acne, hyperpigmentation, retinols, vitamin C, or skin treatments because those topics honestly deserve their own videos. So if there's something you'd be interested in, let me know in the comments because I love to make those videos too. After years of trying way too many products, I realized that good skin isn't about doing more. It's about understanding your skin and being consistent. So today, I'm just going to share my real everyday Korean skincare routine, the habits that help me the most, and the products I actually use and love. Everything will be linked below if you're interested. So, keep it simple. Before we start, I want to say this. You do not need 10 products. Most days, my routine is just cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. That's it. I think understanding your skin matters much more than following trends. First, cleansing. For me, cleansing is probably the most important step. If I wear makeup, I always double cleanse. But if I only wear sunscreen, I sometimes keep things simpler depending on how my skin feels. And honestly, oil cleansers don't really work for me. They tend to bring me out, so I don't use them very often. Instead, when I remove my makeup, I mostly use the ETUDE Lip&Eye remover. But I know some people love using cleansing oils around their nose to melt blackheads, so I'm still looking for one that works for me. If I find a really good one, I will definitely share it with you guys. And here's a little tip I got from an esthetician. She told me that cleansing should always be done with foam. Since then, I've only used foaming cleansers. This is the one I've been using, and I'll also show you popular cleansers that I like. And one thing I always tell people is this. If your face feels super tight and dry right after cleansing, I highly recommend switching your cleanser. Clean skin shouldn't mean stripped skin. And here's a little tip. I almost never use towels anymore. I use facial tissues and gently pat my skin dry. And even if I use a towel, I never rub my face. This sounds so small, but my skin improved so much after changing this habit. Also, 2 habits that helped my skin. They are so simple, but they've helped me a lot. First, I always put a clean towel over my pillow. It's much easier to replace every day and I think it really helps keep things clean. And second, I try not to touch my face throughout the day. Our hands are way dirtier than we think and I noticed my skin became much calmer after I stopped touching my face so much. Toner. I actually switch toners depending on the season. Most of the time, I use lightweight watery toners with no sticky feeling. This round left Dokdo toner is probably my number 1 recommendation because it's gentle, simple, and honestly one of the most popular toners in Korea. But during winter or when my skin feels extra dry, I switch to more moisturizing milky toners. Or sometimes I just apply my watery toner 2 or 3 times in thin layers. Here's another tip. One thing I've learned is that it's better to apply skincare in thin layers rather than putting a lot on all at once. I always apply a little bit, let it absorb completely, and then move on to the next layer. I think absorption is much more important than quantity. Serum. I own way too many serums, but I think this step should be customized. If my skin feels super dry, I go for richer, more nourishing serums. But when my skin feels oily or makeup just doesn't sit well, I prefer lightweight, watery serums. Instead of using the same thing every day, I just listen to my skin. I'll show you some serums I've truly loved and repurchased. Anua Capsule Serum. this is so watery, so it's really good for oily skin. You don't need to worry about it's gonna be too oily, so stuck your pore or something. So it's really good for under makeup too. Moisturizer. Honestly, I could talk about moisturizers all day, but if I had to recommend one product to anyone, definitely AESTURA Auto Barrier 365 Cream. No question. When my skin barrier was damaged, the product saved my skin. And there's a reason dermatologists and pharmacists in Korea recommend it so often. Just keep in mind that it leaves a slightly rich finish, so I use less during summer. Lately, I've also been loving Dr.Althea 345 Cream and ONGREDIENTS Cream. Dr.Althea cream is really good for makeup, and on gradients, it's lightweight, hydrating, and also makeup sets beautifully on top. And for gel creams, I've been using the VT PDRN capsule cream a lot lately. It has this really unique jelly-like texture, and I love how it keeps my skin hydrated without feeling heavy. But if I had to pick just one, Dr. G would still be my number one. It's one of those products I keep going back to because it works no matter the season. I especially love using it as my night cream because it gives me just the right amount of moisture without feeling greasy or overly rich. It just leaves my skin feeling comfortable, and honestly, I don't think I will ever stop repurchasing it. And finally, the one product I refuse to skip, sunscreen. I don't always wear makeup, but I never skip sunscreen because honestly, no serum or moisturizer can outwork UV damage. For everyday wear, I still highly recommend the Round Lab Birch Juice sunscreen. It's lightweight, hydrating, and never feels heavy on my skin. And if I'm wearing makeup, I've been loving this FROMRIER Sun Ampoule. I originally bought it because I heard makeup artists in Cheongdam salons use it before makeup, and now I totally understand why. It doesn't feel like sunscreen at all. It almost feels like applying a hydration serum, and it makes my makeup go on so beautifully. And when I'm feeling lazy or don't want to wear makeup, I always reach for the HERA tone-up sunscreen. I've gone through more than 8 bottles. Seriously. Almost every day, I just wear this and go to work. It brightens my skin so naturally that I can just put this on and head out the door. People always ask me what I'm wearing, but most of the time, it's just this. And one last thing, whenever I have a special event coming up, or when my skin feels extra dry, I always reach for a face mask. And you guys probably already know this, but I'm obsessed with this Biodance mask. I'm not even kidding, I loved it so much that I literally bought boxes of them. Whenever I sleep with one, I wake up the next morning and spend the next week staring at myself in the mirror. That's how much I love it. It gives me that healthy, glowy skin that makes me want to skip makeup altogether. So if you have a special occasion coming up or your skin just needs some extra love, I can't recommend this enough. This is definitely one of those products that I will keep repurchasing forever. Skin changes, season change, hormones change, life changes. So I don't believe in one perfect skincare routine. My skin also wasn't always like this. And honestly, I still don't think my skin is perfect, but it's healthier than before and I'm still learning every day. So let's work on having healthier skin together. As I mentioned earlier, today's video was all about my everyday skin basics, but if you'd like to see videos on acne, hyperpigmentation, vitamin C, retinols, or how I actually improved my skin over the years, I'd love to make those videos too, so let me know in the comments. And almost everything I mentioned today is available on Amazon, so I will leave everything linked below if you're interested. And if there are any Korean beauty or Korean culture topics you'd like to see next video, let me know in the comments. Then I'll see you in the next video. 안녕!